This is how giant fruits are produced in the USA.
These fruits are grown for scale. Millions of fruits begin their journey on farms like these.
Perfect size doesn't happen by accident.
Everything starts with careful farming. Water, nutrients, and timing are critical.
Timing affects taste and quality.
Harvesting happens at peak ripeness.
Freshly harvested fruits move fast. Feed preserves freshness. Factories receive fruits daily.
Every load is inspected.
Damaged fruits are removed immediately. Only premium fruits move forward. Next comes intensive washing.
Every surface is cleaned.
Hygiene standards are extremely strict.
Automation handles most of the work.
Human workers monitor everything.
Fruits are sorted by size.
Giant fruits go to premium processing.
Cutting is done with precision.
Every cut is identical.
Waste is minimized. Nothing is left to chance. Temperature is tightly controlled. This preserves flavor. Processed fruits move to packaging. This keeps fruits fresh longer. Each package is sealed tightly.
Packaging happens at incredible speed.
Labels are applied automatically. Every package is traceable.
Quality checks continue.
Approved products move to storage. Cold storage preserves freshness. Orders are prepared for shipping. Fruits are shipped nationwide. all starting from farms like these. All starting from farms like these. This operation runs non-stop. Thousands of fruits are processed every hour. Automation makes this possible. Human workers ensure quality.
Every detail is monitored.
Machines measure size and weight instantly. Only perfect fruits continue. Rejected fruits are redirected. Nothing goes to waste.
Sustainability is built into the system.
Giant fruits are cut with precision blades.
Every slice looks identical.
Speed and accuracy work together.
Temperature is carefully controlled.
This preserves freshness and flavor. Processed fruits move to packaging.
Packaging happens at incredible speed.
Each package is sealed instantly.
This keeps fruits fresh longer.
Labels are applied automatically.
Every package is traceable.
Quality checks continue after packaging.
Only approved products move forward.
Products enter cold storage.
Cold storage preserves quality. Orders are prepared daily. Distribution happens nationwide. Fruits travel across the country.
Stores receive them fresh.
Consumers see the final product. But the journey started on farms. From soil to scale. Farming meets technology.
This is modern fruit manufacturing.
And designed for scale.
Millions of fruits every week. all processed with precision.
This is how America feeds millions.
And it never stops.
Day and night. Freshness is the priority.
Quality is non-negotiable.
Technology makes it possible.
This anomaly here suggests a misalignment on the third joint.
I see it. Adjusting the calibration now.
Looks stable. Good work, team.
This is farm to factory perfection.
Giant fruits. Giant operations.
Built for the future.
This is how it's done in the USA.
From farm
To factory.
To your table.
All in one journey.
This is modern fruit manufacturing.
Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more factory stories. Comment what factory to see next.
Every journey starts somewhere.
From farm to factory. Opoinda. This is how giant fruits are made.
every fruit has a story.
And this is one of the biggest.
Powered by technology.
Trusted by millions. This is how scale works.
This is how freshness survives.
And this is how food reaches you. All in one journey.
Remember where it started?
From soil.
To machines. To perfection.
This is modern food manufacturing. If you learn something new,
Like this video.
Subscribe for more USA factory stories.
Comment what food you want next.
This channel explores how food is really made. Inside American food factories. Big scale. Clean process. High speed. High speed. High quality. Food made for millions.
All starting from nature.
And ending on your plate.
This is the journey.
From farm to factory.
How giant fruits are manufactured in the USA.